6.321. Find the equation of normals to the curve which are parallel to the line x plus 14y plus 4 equal to 0. So we have to find the equation of normal. Suppose consider a curve. This is the curve at which normal. We have to find the equation of normal at which tangent this normal is parallel to. So consider this point. At this point, this is the tangent. So this is the normal. So this is the normal at this point. So normal, given that, find the equation of normals which are parallel to the line. So this normal is parallel. This normal is parallel to the line x plus 14y. This line is x plus 14y plus 4 equal to 0. So normal is parallel to the line. So slope of the normal will be equal to slope of the line. So we can find slope of the normal. Slope of the normal equal to slope of the line. Slope of line, that is equal to minus a by b minus coefficient of x minus 1 by 14 minus 1 by 14. This is the slope of the normal. Now we can, from the equation of the curve, we can find slope of the tangent. Equation of the curve is y equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6. So dy by dx is equal to 3x square plus 2. So that is the slope of the tangent. So that is equal to slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent. And tangent and normal are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, slope of the tangent into slope of the normal equal to negative 1. So we can write 3x square plus 2 into slope of the normal negative 1 by 14 equal to minus 1. So we can cancel negative 1. So cross multiplying this, we get 3x square plus 2 equal to 14. 3x square equal to 12. X square equal to 4. X square equal to 4. X equal to plus or minus 2. So we get 2 points, 2 coordinates, x equal to 2, x equal to minus 2. Now question is find the equation of normal. So when x equal to 2, we can find y from the equation of the curve. We can find y coordinate. So when x equal to 2, y equal to, substitute here in the equation of curve, 2 cube, 8, plus 2 into 2, 4 plus 6, 4 plus 6, that is 18. When x equal to negative 2, y equal to negative 2 cube, negative 8, plus 2 into negative 2, negative 4 plus 6, minus 12 plus 6, that is minus 6. So we got 2 points, 2, 18 and minus 2, minus 6. So when x equal to minus 2, we get minus 12 plus 6, minus 6. Minus 12 plus 6, minus 6. So we got 2 points. So the 2 points are 2, 18. So the 2 points are 2, 18 and minus 2, minus 6. There are 2 points at which the normals are parallel to that line. Normal is parallel to that line. So at these 2 points, we have to find the equation of normal. To find the equation of normal, y minus y1. Y1 means, consider at, first we can find the equation of normal at, equation of normal. Equation of normal at 218, that is y minus y1 equal to equation of normal. So we have to write the slope of the normal. Slope of the normal is minus 1 by 14 into x minus 2. Now simplifying this, you will get equation of 1. At this point, equation of normal. Similarly, we have to find equation of normal at minus 2 minus 6. That is y minus minus 6 equal to minus 1 by 14. This is the slope of the normal. Into x minus minus 2. So y minus minus 6 equal to minus 1 by 14 into x minus minus. So simplifying this, you will get the 2 equations of normals. Now consider the question number 22. Find the equation of tangent and normal to the parabola y square equal to 4ax at the point at square to 80. So here point is given at square to 80. At this point we have to find the equation of tangent and equation of normal. So only we want to find, what we want to find is slope of the tangent and slope of the normal. So that we can find from the equation of the curve. So y square equal to 4ax. So we differentiating, we can find dy by dx. So differentiating both sides with respect to x. Derivative y square 2y into derivative of y, that is y dash, or we can write dy by dx, both are same, equal to 4a into derivative of x, that is 1. Now y dash equal to 4a divided by 2y, that is equal to 2a by y. This is the slope of the tangent. Now we have to substitute the point. Always we have to find the slope of the tangent and slope of the normal at the point. That point we have to substitute. Therefore, using this we can find, therefore slope of the tangent at x1 y, at which point? At square to at square to at. At this point, substitute that is equal to 2a by y. What is y? 2at. That is equal to 1 by t. So that is the slope of the tangent. So now we can find the equation of tangent. So this is slope of the tangent, and slope of the normal also we can find. Slope of normal. Slope of the normal equal to minus 1 by 1 by t, that is minus t. Because product will be minus 1. 1 by t into minus t, that is will be it's minus 1. So this is slope of the tangent, this is slope of the normal. Now we can find the equation of tangent and equation of normal. Now we can find equation of tangent. So equation of tangent at at square to at, that is y minus 2at, y minus y1 to at, equal to slope of the tangent. What is slope of the tangent? 1 by t. 1 by t into x minus x1. x1 is at square. X minus at square. So that is the this is the equation of tangent. Y minus 2at equal to slope of the tangent 1 by t into x minus at square. Now cross multiplying, we get ty minus 2at square equal to x minus at square. Now we can take so here 2at square. So t into y minus 2at into t minus 2at square equal to x minus at square. Now taking all the terms to that side, we get x there, ty taking that side minus ty. Then x minus ty minus 2at square become 2at square minus at square, that is plus at square equal to 0. So take all the terms to that side. X minus ty plus 2at square minus at square, that is at square equal to 0. That is the equation of tangent. Now we can find the equation of normal. Now equation of normal, y minus 2at equal to slope of the normal minus t into x minus at square. So here that is y minus 2at equal to minus tx plus at cube minus t into minus plus a into t cube. So now we can take all the terms to the left side. So tx then plus y minus 2at minus at cube equal to 0. That is the equation of normal. Tx plus y minus 2at minus at cube equal to 0. So that is the equation of normal. So this is equation of tangent, equation of normal. Now 23rd one. Prove that the curves x equal to y square and xy equal to k cut at right angles. So two curves cut at right angles means, suppose these are the two curves. So at the point of contact, this is the point of contact. At this point, if you draw tangent to one curve, so this is the tangent to this curve, and draw the tangent to the other curve, that is this one. So these tangents will be perpendicular to each other. So the two curves cut at right angles means tangents at the point of contact will be perpendicular to each other. So that is the case here. So in that case, we have to prove that 8k square equal to 1. So curves x equal to y. So these are the two curves x equal to y square and xy equal to k. First we can find the point of intersection. Point of intersection, by solving that we can find. So put x equal to y square in this equation. So we get y square into y, that is y cube equal to k. Therefore y equal to k raised to 1 by 3 cubic root of k. Now we got y coordinate. Now substituting in this we get the x coordinate. So here x equal to y square, that is k raised to 1 by 3 whole square, that is k raised to 2 by 3. So y coordinate x raised to k raised to 1 by 3, x coordinate k raised to 2 by 3. So point of intersection is, intersection equal to k raised to x k raised to 2 by 3, y coordinate k raised to 1 by 3. So this is the point of intersection, k raised to 2 by 3, k raised to 1 by 3. Now we can find the slopes of the two curves. First consider x equal to y square. From this we can find the slope of the tangent to this curve, that curve. Then we can find the slope of the tangent to the other curve. So from this equation we can find dy by dx. So y square 2y into dy by dx, that is this is same as y square equal to x. So 2y into y dash, dy by dx means y dash, 2y into y dash equal to derivative x1. So y dash equal to 1 by 2y. Now substitute this point, we get 1 by 2 into y k raised to 1 by 3. Now from the other curve, that is xy equal to k, we can find dy by dx. So here we have to apply product rule. So x into y dash plus y into derivative x1 equal to derivative k0. So xy dash equal to minus y, y dash equal to minus y by x. That is substituting x and y, we get minus y k raised to 1 by 3, y k raised to 1 by 3 by k raised to 2 by 3. So minus y by x minus k raised to 1 by 3 by k raised to 2 by 3. So these are the slopes of two curves at the point of contact, slope of the tangent. Now product of the slopes equal to minus 1. So what we get? So we get here, this is the product of 1 by 2 into k raised to 1 by 3 into slope of the tangent to the other curve, that is minus k raised to 1 by 3 by k raised to 2 by 3 equal to minus 1. That is minus we can cancel from both sides. So k raised to 1 by 3 we can cancel. So 1 by 2 k raised to 2 by 3 equal to 1. Therefore, that is cross multiplying 2 into k raised to 2 by 3 equal to 1. Taking cube, 2 k raised to 2 by 3 whole cube equal to 1 cube. That is 2 cube, 8 into k raised to 2 by 3 whole raised to 3 equal to 1. That is 8 into k raised to 2 by 3 into 3 equal to 1. That is 8k square equal to 1. So we got 8k square equal to 1. That is what we want to prove. So we proved that 8k square. See all these cases that since when they cut at right angles, that is implied by this equal to product of the slopes equal to minus 1. From that we get all these conditions. So we proved that. Okay.